Hey guys, welcome back to our next video. Today I will cook corned beef and rice. And rice, yeah. And my pot start boil up already, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wash my rice and put in the pot. Yeah, I'm going to wash my rice and put in the pot now, so watch what I go on, guys. Yeah guys, so now wash my rice. Yeah guys, so I'm going to put in the rice. If you go and cook. Yeah guys, so I'm going to put in the rice and the pot to boil up. So guys, I'm gonna get some salt. Yeah. Gonna put some butter. Hey guys, so I'm gonna make my rice one cook. Yeah, so stay tuned and watch what I'm going. Soon be back. Yeah guys, the rice are cooked, so in the meantime, what I'm gonna do, I go cut up some season. So watch what I'm going, guys. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna cut up some season for the corned beef. So let's start cut up the season again. Corned beef and white rice. Pepper. Yeah guys, so we done cut up my season them now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna light the next part of it and put on the canned beef. So guys, stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen. Soon be back. Yeah guys, so look on the rice. You see it, rice pretty. Yeah. Rice pretty guys, man, I like it tell you. Soon can come off, so I'm making go and steam out. You go see the finishing look. So I go work for my canned beef now guys. So stay tuned. Soon be back. Yeah guys, so I go put in my season them now for go and fry up. And then I put in my canned beef. So you don't know madness to go already. See me eye hot already, so I go put in the season them. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yeah guys, so look what I go on in the pot now. See that? Yeah, so I go pull my canned beef now and train it. So stay tuned guys for the finishing look. See big cow in the pot. Yeah. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put some tomato ketchup. I'm gonna put some black pepper. Yeah, the black pepper here. I'm gonna put a little black pepper. Yeah guys, so stay tuned for the finishing look. This is almost finished now. I'm gonna just stir it up and make it fry up and you'll see finishing look. So stay tuned guys. Guys, I'm gonna put a little bit more ketchup. Yeah. And I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, not too much, just a little sprinkle. That is it guys. So yeah guys, in the canned beef, so what I'm gonna do now, making stay say 1 more minute, go and cook up a little bit more and then we take it off. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. You're gonna see when in a plate and thing. You understand how I did and see my rice? Yeah, my rice can come off now. So be a badness in the kitchen. Back off your rice stove. Make that go on cook a little bit more. I'll take off, you know. So stay tuned for the finishing look when it hit at the dish guys. So I'll soon be back. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look. My canned beef and rice. The white something you sip on the canned beef, mayonnaise, I put some mayonnaise on it too. So that's how the whole badness set guys. So see you in our next video. I'm out. Bye.